Welcome class. Today we are on lesson 110 of book 4 and today's lesson is dividing by multiples of 10. So I'm going to start with a couple of examples. There's a little bit of a trick here. Since I don't really want to count by 30s or think about a number that big, our trick is that we can just ignore the ones digit of each number. So instead of thinking how many times does 30 go into 127, I can think how many times does 3 go into 12? Well, I know 3 goes into 12
4 times.
4 times. But do I want to put my 4 here? Does 30 go into 12 4 times?
No.
No. So I'm going to put my 4 right over here above the 7, and I'll show you how this works. Our next step, if you remember, is multiply. So 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 3 is 12. Then we subtract. 127 minus 120 gives me a 7. Do I have anything here to drop?
No.
No, I don't have any digits here to drop. And can I make a group of 30 if I only have 7 left?
No.
No, so now I know that 7 is my remainder. So this would be 4, remainder 7. Okay? I'm going to try this one. How many times does 20 go into 72? Oh, I don't really want to count by 20s. So how many times does 2 go into 7?
2 goes into 7 exactly 3 times.
Exactly 3 times. But does 20 go into 7 3 times?
No.
So I have to move my 3 over here. Now, what's 3 times 0?
3 times 0 was...
Anything times 0 is
0.
0. 3 times 2 is
6.
6. Then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. Can I make a group of 20 if I only have 12 left?
No.
No. So 12 is my remainder. And then we'll try this one. Instead of 40 into 95, how many times does 4 go into 9?
4 goes into 9 2 times.
2 times. I'm going to put my 2 in my ones place here. 2 times 0 is
0.
0. Anything times 0. 2 times 4 is
Hold on. 8.
8. Then we subtract. Can I make a group of 40 if I only have 15 left?
No.
No. So my remainder is 15. These are all the examples we have for right now. However, there are 6 lesson practice problems that I'm going to put up on the board. I would like for you to pause the video, try the lesson practice problems for yourself, and then when you hit start, we'll go over them together. Okay, so we have 72 divided by 30. We have 87 divided by 20. We have 95 divided by 40. 127 divided by 20. 127 divided by 40. And 217 divided by 30. So try those problems and then hit play and we'll go over the answers together. Nyla, what are we going to do for number 1 here?
So, we know that we don't want to count by 30s to get into 72, so instead we should count by 3s to get into 7.
Okay, so how many times does 3 go into 7?
3 goes into 7 2 times.
And where are you going to write the 2?
Right.
Yes,
Here.
you remembered to put it in the ones place. Okay, 2 times 30. You can do 2 times 0 first.
Well, yes, 2 times, actually no, 60.
Okay.
Subtract, that's
then 7 minus 6 is?
1. So our remainder is 12.
Okay, write it up there. If 2 remainder 12 is what you got, you're absolutely correct. Go ahead and try this one, Nyla.
Hold on.
She got 4 remainder 7 for this problem here. Try the next one. And 2 remainder 15. Can you move over, please? 2 remainder 15 for this problem here. So far, these are all correct. Keep going, Nyla. You're doing great. Yes, 6 remainder 7. Try this one. Three remainder 7, absolutely. And last problem. And 7 remainder 7. If you got all of those correct like Nyla, give yourself a pat on the back. High five, Chica. You got this. You are now ready to do your written practice, which begins on page 695. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon.